We will now discuss another problem on which came in GATE 2017. Okay, the problem is consider the context-free grammar. Consider the context-free grammar over the alphabet A, B, C given below. Okay, S, capital S and capital T are obviously non-terminal. Okay, now grammar G1 is given S to A, S, B or T, T to C, small c capital T or epsilon, and grammar G2 is given S to B, S, A or T, T to C, T or epsilon. Okay. Now what you have to find that whether the language L of G1 intersection L of G2 is number 1, option A, whether it is finite, option B, not finite but regular, option C, context free but not regular, context free but not regular, and option D is recursive but not context free. Recursive but not context free. Okay, so you have to what are the options given. Okay, now let us see what are the language can be generated by this given this thing. Okay, so let us consider L1. Let us say this is, you can generate from S to T and from T to epsilon. So you can generate epsilon. One thing is thing you can generate is epsilon. Now next one is C plus. Now why is C plus? C from G1 to T and from T to CT, and if you replace T with epsilon, you will get at least one C. Okay, so C plus. Now both you can, if you combine this epsilon plus C plus, epsilon plus C to C plus, you can get C star. So if you combine this epsilon plus C plus, you will get C star. Okay. Another thing you can get, obviously you can get, that is A to the power n, B to the power n by this rule, or you can get A to the power n if you consider this T in between over here. So C, you can get C plus and B to the power n. Okay, so these are the combination you can get. So finally what you are getting, L1 you are getting that A to the power n and C star, because I have already told you C plus and this means star, so C star and B to the power n, where n greater than equal to 0. So by these two things, by this G1 you can draw this conclusion. Okay, similarly for C2 from G2, let us say what are the string, same thing you can generate, but here it will start with B. So same thing what you can start is nothing but B to the power n, C star, A to the power n. Okay, and obviously n greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. Okay, so you have to check, you have to highlight on this greater than equal to. Okay, now these two things are given. So what we are getting now, C L of G1 intersection L of G2, it is even given in the question. So it is, the common thing is C star. Okay, so C star means any combination of C including 0, and it is obviously it is not for finite, it will be infinite. So it is not finite, but obviously it is regular. So not finite but regular. So answer is this one. Okay, not finite but regular. So this is an easy one. Now let us go for another problem. It is also came in 2017 in some set. So it is given that consider the language L given by the regular expression a plus b star b a plus b over the alphabet a and b. Question is the smallest number of state needed in a deterministic finite state automation, that is finite automata, or let us say DFA, accepting L is this. That is, you have to find this is given, so you have to find what is the minimum number of state in DFA which accept this particular language. Okay, so first what we will draw a NFA of this given expression. So let us first draw a plus b whole star b a plus b. So if you draw the NFA, let us starting point is q0 a plus b star, so a comma b, then followed by obviously b, you go to q1 and a plus b. So a plus b means either a or b, and you are going to q2 state. So this is the final state. Let us consider this one. So this is the NFA. Now let us draw the state transition table. And convert this NFA to DFA. So state, let us say this is A, B. So starting with Q0, y then go to Q0 on B. So you can go Q0 or Q1, Q0 or Q1. So the next state is Q0, Q1. So here you will get Q0. From Q1 you can go via A is Q2. So Q0, Q2. And from here Q0, Q1 and Q2. Next, this is new state, so Q0, Q2. From here you can go to Q0 only, because Q2 of A there is nothing, and through B, Q0 of B is Q0, and Q2 of B is Q2 of B. So Q0 of B is Q0 and Q1, and Q2 of B is nothing. Another state is remaining, this one, Q0, Q1, Q2. So this is Q0, Q2, and this is Q0, Q1 and Q2. So this is corresponding the DFA. So how many state? And these are the final state, because final state is Q2 and Q2. So these two are final state. So how many state is needed? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of state is needed is 4. So answer is 4. Okay. So this is another question came in 2017. We will try another question from 2017. Okay. So just wait. Yeah. So it is also came in GATE 2017. Given that if G is a grammar, with production S to SAS or ASB or B, let us say no, it is not BS, it is SE and SS or epsilon, where S is starting symbol. Okay, then which of the following string is not generated by G. So this is a very good question. So let us try to solve. So what are the string given? We have to find that which are the string is not generated by this G. Grammar is also given. A, number C, A, B, A, and number D, B, A. So let us try to find with the tree. So let us take this one. So S to SS, and from S, A is B, and A is B. So this is epsilon, this is epsilon. So what we are getting, B. So you can generate this one. Let us draw for this one. S to S, from S, S, and from this S you can go for ASB, this one, ASB. So this from this S, epsilon, this is epsilon, this epsilon. So what you are getting, AAAB. So this you can generate. Now about this one. So let us start with S. So S, so SAS, this epsilon, now this epsilon, and from S you can draw BSA, again you can draw BSA, and replace this S by epsilon. So what are the string generated? ABB, AA. So you can draw this string, but can you draw this string? So since you see that you can draw this string because it is starting with B, and here no, in any way you cannot start the string with B. Okay, so it have to be start with A. So you cannot generate this string. So the correct answer will be basically D1. Okay, so D is the correct answer. You cannot generate this string with the help of this given grammar. Okay, so hope you understand. So we in this tutorial we have discussed 3 questions of 2017. Hope you understand all these things. Okay, so I hope you have get some idea what are the question generally comes in GATE exam. Okay, thank you.